Is your Honeywell portable air conditioner shutting off unexpectedly? Let's troubleshoot the most common causes step by step. First, check the water tank. A full water tank will trigger an automatic shutoff to prevent overflow. This is the most common cause of unexpected shutdowns. Next, ensure proper ventilation. The exhaust hose should be correctly connected, not kinked or bent, and extended to the recommended length of 4 to 5 feet. Make sure nothing is blocking airflow around the unit. Maintain at least 20 inches of clearance on all sides for proper air circulation. Dirty air filters are a common culprit. They restrict airflow and cause overheating. Clean your filters every 2 weeks or even weekly in dusty environments. Confirm the unit is in cool mode, indicated by the snowflake symbol, and ensure the set temperature is lower than the current room temperature. Important reminder, if the water full indicator is on, empty the tank and ensure it's correctly positioned. Always wait 3 minutes after switching the air conditioner off before turning it back on. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your air conditioner's shutoff issues, it's time for advanced diagnostics. Start by listening carefully to your compressor for unusual sounds. Grinding, rattling, or clicking noises from the compressor indicate potential mechanical problems that require immediate attention. Next, examine your electrical system thoroughly. Check the power cord for damage, test different outlets, and inspect your circuit breaker. If lights flicker when your unit starts, this suggests a power supply issue. Your electrical system may be overloaded or require professional evaluation. Ensure your unit's BTU rating matches your room size. An undersized unit will overwork itself, leading to overheating and frequent shutoffs. Use this sizing chart to verify your unit is appropriate for your space. Too small means constant running and potential failure. Prevention is key to avoiding future problems. Regular maintenance significantly extends your unit's life and prevents most shutoff issues. Proper storage during off-seasons protects your investment and ensures reliable operation when you need it most. Some issues require professional intervention. Never attempt repairs on refrigerant systems or complex electrical components yourself. Always prioritize safety. Unplug your unit before any cleaning or inspection, and never ignore warning signs like unusual smells or sounds.